sporty, confident and electric, the Porsche Cayenne Electric has many faces, up to 1,156 PS, from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds, and a 113 kilowatt-hour high-voltage battery. It charges at up to 400 kilowatts and delivers a range of over 600 kilometers. Developed in-house for the first time and featuring battery modules from our own production. Due to the high requirements, Porsche decided to expand its own battery expertise here in Horná Streda, Slovakia, with an innovative technical center and the Porsche Smart Battery Shop, the new state-of-the-art production facility with maximum manufacturing quality for the battery modules of the Cayenne Electric. Production here takes place under clean room conditions in 6 clearly defined steps. The first step is cell preparation. Each pouch cell is tested, measured, and uniquely identified, the basis for complete traceability. The cells are then precisely aligned and assembled into a stack. This is followed by automated welding and contacting, during which the electrical connections are created. The cell assembly is then foamed for stabilization and mounted in the module housing. Thermal material, known as gap filler, ensures reliable heat dissipation before the cooling plates are connected. Finally, the end-of-line test is performed with insulation measurement and leak test. Quality assurance for perfection. Each station provides real-time process data, which is centrally archived in a cloud. This means that every single module is fully documented. What's more, Porsche tests the performance of the batteries in the laboratory and in the field at its new Porsche Smart Battery Laboratory. This means that battery expertise, development and production in Bratislava are even more closely interlinked, just in sequence. Quality, process reliability and traceability can be guaranteed more consistently, from the individual module to the finished vehicle, for maximum performance and efficiency, made in Europe.